Hey there, para folks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check all cheat commands in Paralives. Using cheat commands in a life simulation game is one of the best ways to unlock more freedom for building and gameplay. This is also a feature found in other similar games like The Sims. To check all the cheat commands in Paralives, what you'll want to do is press Ctrl plus Shift plus C on your keyboard. This will open the cheat command window, commonly known as the console. Once you have the console open, type help and then press enter. This command will display all the available cheats that you can currently use in the game. These cheats can help with free building, testing mechanics, or getting access to later game content much earlier. And that's how to check all cheat commands in Paralives. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.